Top tips for glow up. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing my top tips to help you look and feel your best as you head back to class. Let's get started. Tip 1. Skincare routine. A glowing complexion starts with a good skincare routine. Begin with a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. Follow it by a toner to balance pH levels. Don't forget to moisturize to keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. And of course, sunscreen is a must to protect your skin from UV rays, even on cloudy days. Tip 2. Hair care tips. Treat your locks to some TLC by incorporating a deep conditioning treatment into your routine once a week. Trim any split ends to keep your hair healthy and manageable. Experiment with different hairstyles to find one that suits your personality and makes you feel confident. Tip 3. Wardrobe refresh. Now let's tackle your wardrobe. Invest in a few versatile pieces that you can mix and match for different outfits. Don't be afraid to add some trendy items to spice up your look, but remember to stay true to your personal style. Tip 4. Healthy habits. Health is wealth, so make sure to prioritize it. Get enough sleep each night to recharge your body and mind. Stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water. Incorporate exercise into your routine, whether it's going for a jog, practicing yoga, or hitting the gym. A healthy body leads to a healthy mind. Tip 5. Confidence boosters. Lastly, let's boost your confidence. Practice positive affirmations to reaffirm your self-worth and capabilities. Be the best version of yourself. Remember, confidence is key to shining bright in every aspect of your life. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share. Subscribe for more updates.